back to my channel. Today we'll be studying the Majja Dhatu, and here mostly Majja, Ruddhi and Kshaya are the most repeated questions for the Majja Dhatu. Other is also important. They may ask for 10 marks. If not, Ruddhi, Kshaya most of the repeated times in the Majja Dhatu. Okay, Majja Dhatu is compared with the bone marrow. Inside the bone there will be a hollow organ that is known as a bone marrow, that is compared with the Majja Dhatu. Nirukti goes Majjati Asti Shthavatihi. Majja Dhatu is embedded inside the Asti Dhatu. That what I said, no? Bone marrow which is present in the Asti. See, if it is the bone, inside the bone there will be bone marrow condition where the asti utpatti takes place, and many blood vessels, nutrients, arteries, veins, nerve supply will be happening. No, that is known as the bone marrow. That is in that location Majja Dhatu is present. Okay, Utpatti, same as said, same shloka for the all the seven dhatu, that is Rasad Raktam Tata Mamsa Medas Tato Asti Cha Astanyo Majja Tata Shukram Shukra Garbha Prajayate. That means from Rasa Rakta is produced. If you split it, Rasa plus Rakta Tato Mamsa Medas Tato Asti means from Mamsa Meda Dhatu. From Mamsa Dhatu, Meda is produced, and from Meda Asti is produced. If you split it, Mamsa Meda Stato Asti Chaha Astanyo Majja. From Asti Dhatu, Majja is produced, and from Shukra Garbha formation is takes place, and from Majja Dhatu Shukra Dhatu formation takes place. What? From Majja Dhatu Shukra Dhatu formation takes place. This much. Next is the what? Now we understood that from Majja Dhatu Shukra will produce, and from Asti Dhatu Majja is produced. That is, Majja is produced from the Asti, or Asti is the Utpatti of the Majja Dhatu. Next, sthana or location. Majjavahanam Shrutasams Astihi Mulha Sandayasjaha. See, if it is produced from the Asti Dhatu, then first will be the Asti is the location of the Majja Dhatu. Next one is Sandhi, joints. These two are the location of 2 to 3, 4 bones together forms the joints. No, so of course joints and bones, these two will be the main or chief locations of the Majja Dhatu. Inside the cavities of the all the bone, Majjava Srotas, Majjadaraha, Kalaha. Kala is with respect to the Sharira Rachana, Kriya Sharira. You will understand later about that. Next one is the Pramanaha. That is one Anjali Pramanaha, Eka Anjali Majjayaha. This is important. Which Dhatu is having the one Anjali Pramana? If they asked, Majja Dhatu, which is present in the bone marrow, is having the one Anjali Pramana. Next is Karma, means function. This is also same for the all the seven Dhatu. The shloka goes like this. Hrinam Jivanam Lepanam Snehodharana Puranam Karpotbhajasya Dhatunam Shrestha Karma Kramata. It does the function of Purana. Purana means filling, means to fill the space. Purana means to fill the space. To fill the space which is present in the bone marrow. Space or empty, fills the empty cavities inside the earth. Purana means filling. Filling is the karma of the Majja Dhatu. Majja Snehanam Balanam Shukra Pushti Puranam Mastanam Cha Karotihi. Majja Snehanam Balanam means it gives Sneha and Bala to the Majja Dhatu gives Bala to the Sneha and Bala to the body. Shukra Pushti means helps in the production of this Shukra Dhatu. Purana Astana means filling of the Asti Dhatu. Cha Karoti means it does. Karoti means does. Nourishment of the Shukra Dhatu is the function of the Majja Dhatu, because Poshak Kshama of Shukra Dhatu is formed during the metabolism of the Majja Dhatu. Next is Upadhatu and Malaha. Upadhatu of Majja Dhatu is Keshaha. This is Upadhatu of the Majja, and Majja Sneha Akshi Vitta Tvacham. Mala are the fecus of the skin, eyes. Mala means Akshi means eyes. From tears will come, no, those and skin. and skin sweat will produce now those two, and feces which is produced now, that is all of the mala of the majja dhatu, that is according to Charaka Chikista Stanaha. Next is Ruddhi Lakshanaha. What is that Ruddhi Lakshana means? This is important, 5 marks they will ask. మధ్య నేత్ర అంగగౌరవం పర్వసు స్థూల మూలాన్ని కూర్యత కూర్చన్ అరుషి చహ. వృద్ధ లక్షణ means when Majjadhatu increased in our body, what are the lakshanas that can be observed in the body are said to be the Ruddhi lakshana of the Majjadhatu. First one is the heaviness of the ayu. Majja netra anga gauravam. Netra anga gauravam means heaviness in the eye. Netra means eyes. Anga gauravam. Gaurava means heaviness. Netra anga means organ. Netra anga gauravam, heaviness in the eye. Parvasu stula mulani. Parvasu means joints. Sthulan, Parvasu means bigger joint. Sthula means Parvasu means bigger. Parvasu means bigger. Sthula means joints. Parvasu Sthula Mulani Kuryata Kurchani. Heaviness in the joints and disorders related to joints. Kuryata Kurchani Arushi Jaham. Arushi means nodular growth in the joints, bones having ulceration surfaces. Means there will be nodular growth or joints, means bubbles like structure nodules are formed at the joints, which is the Lakshana. Bone marrow, it does defect occurs, then of course the asthi deformities can be observed. See, if Ruddhi is happens means something is increased, means bone marrow is increased. If it is increased, tumors is with respect to increased growth, so tumors can be observed. Next one is the Kshaya Lakshanaham. Asthanam Majjani Shausharya Brahmastimira Darshanam. This is very important, because when I was writing exams, so many of the time they asked me repeatedly MCQs fix they will ask. That is Asthanam Majjani Shausharya Brahmastimira Darshanam. Brahma Majjani Asthanam Majjani Shausharya Brahma means fainting. Thimira means black dots, black colorization, means when you are about to faint now, you can observe the black color discolorations in the skin. That is mainly due to the Brahma. Black color you can observe now, that is due to Majjadhatu reduction. Next one is Alpa Shukrataha, means Shukra Kshaya Lakshana can be observed. Next to Parva Bhedha means pain in the metacarpal regions can be observed. Numbness of pain in the region. Brahmastimira Darshana means fainting sensation results into fainting sensation. Brahmastimira Darshanam. Brahma means fainting, Stimira means black color, Darshana means vision, black color vision. Shausharya means very increased pain in the carpals and bones are known as the Shausharya. Next one is the Sara Lakshana. As I said, any of the Sara Lakshana can be asked for the 5 marks in the exams, definitely. Shloka goes Mrudu Angam Balavantah Snidha Varna Swaraha Stula Dirgha Rutta Sandayascha Majjasaraha Te Tirga Ishuho Balavantah Shruta Vitvi Napatya Sanmana Vajascha Bhavantihi. Mrudu Anga Balavanta, there will be the Uttama Majjasara person has the soft skin and strong body. Mrudu Anga, soft skin, strong body. Snidha Varna Swaraha, Varna and Swara will be in the uncontinuous Snidha format. Means soft voice can be observed. Stula Dirgha Rutta Sandaya. Stula bigger joints. Dirgha Rutta Sandayascha, that means all the big rounded. Dirgha means big. Stula means big, Dirgha means long, Rutta means rounded, Sandayascha. All these types of the bones are joints. Joints can be observed around these type of bones. That is Stula bigger, Dirgha long, Rutta means Rutta. Here they are given. See, Uttama Majjasara persons are big, long, rounded. Uttama long persons and their bones. With respect to the bones, Majjasaraha. Te Dirghayusha means with longevity. Balavanta means strength. Shrut with intelligence and wealth. Shrut means intelligence, with means wealth. Next we Napatya Sanmana Bhajascha Bhavanti means they'll be having big eyes and they are good listeners. Sorry. Shruta means good listeners. With means well learners. Hmm. Like Shruta means they'll be the good listeners and well learned, like to play musical instrument, master fine arts, love small children, rewardable and respectable. Just they are expanded here. Shrut means well listeners, with means well intelligence. Napatya Sanmana Bhajascha Bhavantihi means they will be well respectable persons in the society. This much is the Majja Dhatu. In my next video will be seeing the Shukra Dhatu. If you want check the playlist of the Dhatu Lakshana, you can get the all the Sapta Dhatu videos, and you can. Thank you for listening. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and share videos to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.